Using Canvas, teachers can give each student a copy of a Google Doc on which students can then answer questions and then submit the Google Doc back to Canvas. On occasion, students will accidentally delete portions of that Google Doc, and then they will ask the teacher maybe for a fresh copy. So let's say you accidentally cut this question out, okay? And you don't realize it, and it's too late for you to use the nifty undo button, and you check mark it, you save that change, and then the next time you go in there, you're like, yikes, where did that question go? Well, there's a way of getting that back, and it's called revision history. But it won't work if you're using the Google Doc app. So you can't go to like Drive on your iPad, because it will automatically push you to the app, the mobile app. So instead, I'm going to go to Safari, and I'm going to type in the address bar at the top, docs.google.com. docs.google.com. And I'm going to bring up that document that I was just working in. And you're going to notice that across the top, you now have the full desktop version as if you're working on a computer. You don't have these menus across the top if you are in the mobile application. And underneath the menu File, if you go File, you can then tap, right here where it says Version History. You can go to Version History, and then you'll say See Version History. And what that will let you do is over here on the right-hand side, it will show you the previous versions that you've been working with. So like the current version is the one that I accidentally got rid of question 1. But let's see what happens if I go back to the version before that. If I tap on that, then it shows me, oh, look, now it took me back to the previous version, and what I deleted is now back. And up here, I can say restore this version. Okay, so I'm going to hit restore, and then that whatever mistake I accidentally made, then it rectifies that mistake. But you guys, this only works if you take it to Safari and you go to docs.google.com so that you get the full desktop version of Google Docs rather than working with the mobile version. I hope this helps somebody. Thanks.